Looking for even more ways to make money online? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's jump in. First up is motion graphics. From YouTube intros to social media ads, motion graphics are in high demand. If you enjoy creating eye-catching visuals, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe After Effects or Blender. Many clients pay $100 to $500 per project, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to content creators and marketing agencies. With practice, this skill can open doors to exciting opportunities in the creative industry. Next is financial planning. With more people looking to manage their money wisely, there's a growing demand for financial planners who can help them achieve their goals. If you're good with numbers and enjoy helping others, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of budgeting, investing, and retirement planning. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per hour for financial planning services. To get started, offer your services to friends and family or create online courses. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a high-paying niche. Third is online research. Businesses and individuals often need help gathering information on specific topics, and that's where you come in. As an online researcher, you'll collect and analyze data to provide valuable insights. Start by learning how to use search engines, databases, and research tools effectively. Many clients pay $15 to $50 per hour for online research services, depending on the complexity of the project. To stand out, focus on delivering accurate and well-organized information. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or by reaching out to businesses that need market analysis. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Fourth is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. If you're good at troubleshooting and problem solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of common software and hardware issues. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour for tech support services. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also reach out to small businesses that need IT help. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Finally, let's talk about ebook covers. Every author needs a captivating cover to attract readers. And if you're creative and love design, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning tools like Adobe Illustrator or Canva. Many authors pay $50 to $200 per cover, depending on the complexity. To get started, showcase your work on platforms like Behance or Dribbble. You can also reach out to self-published authors directly. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a lucrative niche. And that's a wrap. 5 more skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose motion graphics, financial planning, online research, tech support, or ebook covers, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.